Controlling your appetite is the key to eating less, and eating less is a key to losing weight. Fortunately, there are a number of tools you can use to reduce your appetite. 1. Eat high-fiber foods. Fiber decreases your appetite, so eat plenty of high-fiber foods such as grains, beans, vegetables, and fruit, especially grapefruit and oranges. If you have a large salad before you eat, you'll likely eat fewer calories that meal. 2. Reduce carbohydrates. Cutting down on the carbs can also help. Eating foods rich in carbohydrates tends to increase your appetite. 3. Increase protein. Eating more protein makes you feel more full when you eat. This makes you eat less overall, so add a little protein to every meal. 4. Drink coffee. You should also start your day off with a cup or two of coffee. That's because coffee increases the level of the peptide YY hormone in your blood, which is normally produced by your body when you eat and creates a feeling of fullness. 5. Lower your stress. You should also lower your day-to-day stress. Stress makes your body release cortisol, a hormone that can make you feel hungry. So get plenty of sleep, take time to pursue some relaxing hobbies, and practice meditation. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, HealthFitnessPlanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.